Ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups happen because your diaphragm, a big muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated. Normally, your diaphragm moves smoothly up and down to help pull air into your lungs and push it out. But sometimes things like eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even getting excited can irritate your diaphragm. When it gets irritated, it spasms, making you suck air into your throat suddenly. This causes your vocal cords to close quickly, making the hic sound. It's your body's way of reacting to the unexpected spasm. While hiccups can be annoying, they're usually harmless and go away on their own.